These birds looks extremely powerful. Before I show you the video, like and subscribe if you think your mother is the most beautiful mother in the world. If you don't like and subscribe, obviously you don't love your family. So hit that subscribe button and enjoy in the video. Here we go.